Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add the view account in OBS. Now let us begin. Well, for the view account, I am using Streamlabs, so I'm currently only going to focus on that. Do note that I have already created an account. Now let's simply look at how to add the view account. At the left side of the screen, under Streaming Essentials, you will see a button like this called as All Widgets. Click on it right now. Once you do, this page will open up. From here, what you need to do is simply scroll down till you see something called as View Account. Right here, you can see the View Account. In case you don't find it, you can search for it using the Search Widgets section. Now I'm simply gonna click on View Account right now. Once you do, this page will open up. Do note from here, you can also install the custom widgets. You just have to click on this button and install it. But for now, this is okay with me. You can also customize it a bit. Well, it's up to you. And once you are okay with everything, simply copy the URL right here, click on it, and hit on copy. Do not share your link with anyone else. Now I'm gonna go to OBS. Now as you can see, this right here is OBS. Now what I'm gonna do is simply add a source. At the bottom left in the sources section, you can see the plus button right here. Once you do, as you can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now what you have to do is simply click on browser. Yes, browser. Click on it. You can rename it if you wish. I'm gonna rename it so it's gonna be easy for me. Now it's okay, so I'm just gonna click on OK button right here. Now what you need to do is simply paste your URL right here. I'm gonna paste it right here and hit on OK. Do note that I have pasted the code. Now I'm just gonna hit on OK. Now this is it guys, the view account. As you can see, it's right here. Well guys, this is it. This is how we show the view account using OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.